In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete all emails in Outlook, also known as Hotmail, in just a few quick steps. Whether you're clearing clutter or starting fresh, the process is simple and only takes a few minutes. First, open your web browser and go to the Outlook login page. Click Sign In and enter your account details to access your mailbox. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the Outlook dashboard. From here, click Inbox to view all of your emails. At the top of your inbox, you'll see a checkbox. Click it to select all emails on the current page. If you have a lot of emails, Outlook may ask if you want to select everything in your inbox. Choose that option to capture all of them. Next, click the Delete button, usually shown as a trash can icon. Outlook will ask for confirmation. Go ahead and confirm. All your selected emails are now moved to the Deleted Items folder. To permanently remove them, go to your Deleted Items folder. Just like before, select all and click Delete again. This clears them completely and frees up space in your account. And that's it. You've successfully deleted all your emails in Outlook, a quick and efficient way to keep your inbox organized. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.